Josh King, JetSet, Madrid, popularly known as JetSet Fly and sometimes Jet for short, is a young and successful American internet celebrity entrepreneur who has established himself as a prominent figure in the business world. At the age of 24, he has already achieved remarkable success, having made his first $1 million at the age of 19 and earning over $20 million through his various business ventures. Despite facing challenges during the dot-com boom, including racial abuse and harassment, Madrid persevered and continued to excel in his academic and entrepreneurial pursuits. From as young as 7 years old, he started buying wholesale products online and selling them to his classmates, demonstrating his entrepreneurial spirit and determination to succeed. Madrid firmly believes that hard work and dedication are essential to achieving success, and his success story is a testament to this belief. JetSet Fly is a versatile entrepreneur, podcast host, author, digital marketer, and e-commerce expert who is renowned for his opulent lifestyle and his love for luxury cars such as Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and McLarens. He has collaborated with several high-profile entrepreneurs, including Gary Vaynerchuk, Jake Paul, and Lewis Howes, among others, cementing his status as a top-tier businessman. Madrid's luxurious lifestyle and collaborations with other famous entrepreneurs have earned him worldwide recognition and admiration from his fans and followers. JetSet Fly has also made a name for himself in the entertainment industry, having starred in several films, including Kings of the Internet, where he showcased his extravagant lifestyle, including his cars and stunning home. As a young and successful entrepreneur, JetSet Fly has leveraged the power of social media and networking to connect with mentors who inspire him to continue making money and achieving success. He encourages others to seek free or affordable real-world training online and take action that they will be proud of in the future. In late 2021 and early 2022, JetSet Fly launched NFTmagazine.com, a leading NFT news site that now boasts over 40 team members and an office in Irvine, California. The platform has become a go-to source for NFT news and information, further cementing JetSet Fly's status as a successful entrepreneur and business mogul. JetSet Fly is a young and successful American entrepreneur who has made a name for himself through his hard work, determination, and entrepreneurial spirit. He is a self-made millionaire who has earned millions of dollars through his various business ventures, and he is an inspiration to many who aspire to achieve success in the business world. His luxurious lifestyle, collaborations with other famous entrepreneurs, and success in the entertainment industry have earned him worldwide recognition and admiration. JetSet Fly's story is a testament to the power of hard work and dedication, and his success serves as an inspiration to others who are looking to achieve their dreams and make a name for themselves in the world of business. Subscribe for more biography net worth videos about your favorite internet celebrities and famous entrepreneurs.